Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Okay. Okay, let's see. This is all this bullshit. Okay. All right, we are going on the record in the matter of the City of Wyandotte versus Autumn Bulchak, 232-479, 23739, 23405.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shemke, appearing on behalf of my client. This time we consent to the matter being heard via Zoom. As to the arraignment, we waive formal reading. My client stands mute.
All right, and Ms. Bulchak.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your name, please, for the record.
Autumn Bolchak.
All right, and so counsel, let's handle the most current matter because the other two matters are probation violations. So, as to the current allegations, you indicated your client was going to waive the formal reading. Is that what you indicated?
Yes, Your Honor. I've gone over the charges as well as the violations. We are prepared to move forward. No formal reading required on either proceeding.
All right, and the court will waive the formal reading, enter plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment, schedule this matter for a pre-trial on December 19th at 9 a.m. And as to the probation violation, counsel, would you like to set these for the same time, same date and time?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, the court's going to enter pleas of not guilty on these violation hearings. And set these for December 19th at 9 a.m. And just for the record, these are on case number 23405. It's alleged that she failed to appear for probation visit on June 15th, failed to register and begin drug testing as ordered, failed to comply with any conditions of probation. And then also on the 23739, failed to appear for any probation instructional on June 15th and June 22nd. Okay, and counsel, as to bond.
Your Honor, we respectfully request any consideration towards leniency. My client's apologetic for not being in full compliance. She's 26 years old. She's responsible for a 3-year-old girl. She lives in Wyandotte. She indicates she will appear at any and all future court dates. She's deeply apologetic for not complying with terms, conditions, and obviously it's our hope to potentially find a resolution at the next court date and potentially have some probationary terms run concurrent with her new case. But she is hopeful to be in full compliance, and she indicates that she would be very interested in seeking some treatment going forward. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, ma'am. You're telling this court that you have custody of your child?
No, I do not.
I'm sorry, what's that?
She does not have custody. Currently, the child is with the father, but she would like to regain being an active parent. But no, she does not have custody of the child as present.
Okay, and so how often do you see the child?
I haven't seen her.
And how long?
Almost a year.
Okay, but you told your attorney that you're responsible for your daughter, correct?
To the extent, Judge, that she would like to be responsible. So I'm sorry if that's a mischaracterization. She would absolutely like to be reunited and again take on the responsibilities of being an active parent, Judge. But no, she did not mislead.
Okay.
I don't think I'm qualified yet to be an active parent, but I did say that I do have a biological daughter that is she'll be 4 in January. That I did say.
Okay, ma'am, well, what would be in your system if you were tested today?
What?
Yeah, what would be in your system if you were tested right now?
Nothing.
Nothing.
No.
Ma'am, you were sentenced on your other matters on April 5th on the 405 matter. And then on May 30th on your 739 matter. And ma'am, you're saying that you want treatment.
Yes.
Okay, you were in treatment just 6 months ago.
Yes.
Okay, and so how long ago did you relapse, ma'am?
Probably a few months ago.
Okay, so what I'm going to order is on 232479, based upon your failure to appear on your other matters in this court, your failure to do anything as it relates to probation, fail to register for drug testing, fail to even appear for your probation visits, fail to comply with any terms of condition, and the fact that you're on probation for 2 matters that are similar in nature to these matters, the court's going to order a $7,500 10% bond. In the event you post bond, ma'am, GPS tether to the Wayne County Jail. And in the event you request treatment while you're at Wayne County, you may be tethered to treatment.
So I can bond out. So if I place bonds or post bond, then I'll get a GPS tether.
Treatment, yes, to treatment.
And what happens if I don't post bond?
You'll be in the Wayne County Jail.
For how long?
Well, at least until your next court date on December 19th.
And where's the
And then
treatment
after-
center to?
I'm sorry?
Where does it say that I'm being placed to treatment at?
And if you are in custody and you are at the Wayne County Jail and you are requesting treatment, then I've made a note in there that then they can tether you to the treatment facility.
That they can tell me a treatment facility?
They can tether you to treatment facility.
Right, I'm just wondering which place it was.
I don't know, ma'am. There is a variety of them that they utilize. I don't know.
So I'm going to jail?
Yes, ma'am, you're going to jail. And on 23405, $5,000 10% bond.
How much is that?
$500.
And 7,500 for the other one?
Yes. And then just while you're doing your math on 23739, it's going to be another $500 because this court's going to order another $5,000 10% bond on that one as well. And GPS tether, you have to post bond. And again, you're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs unless prescribed.
Ma'am, there's no way I can get out of jail today?
Absolutely not, ma'am. You have not even contacted the court here, made any attempts over the last number of months. Nope, not at all. And then now you're back in custody for the exact same thing you're on probation for, so no way.
Ma'am, I'll never do drugs again. I'll never bring them to Wyandotte again. I just want to be back in my baby's life. I just want to be with my baby father. I just want.
Ma'am, right now you're not in any condition to be in your child's life, and you even acknowledge that. So not happening.
I don't want to go back into the system. I don't think that it's right for me. It's not. Last time I was in there.
So when you're at the Wayne County Jail, you can request to be sent to treatment. And I've made a condition that you can be tethered to treatment upon your request.
So as soon as I get there, I can request to go to treatment? That's what you're
I'm not
saying?
sure how that works. I don't know at what point you can ask for that, but yes, upon your arrival, go right ahead.
And I'll have to wait until my December 19th court date?
To appear back in this court, yes.
Okay, how many days, Your Honor, are you saying that I have to spend in Wayne County?
Well, ma'am, today is the 4th, and the next date you'll be here is the 19th. So that's 15 days.
And do I have the opportunity to so the only way I can get out is if I post bond?
Ma'am, let me be very clear. If you post bond, you're going to have a GPS tether, and then you are going to be tethered to treatment. So anywhere you slice it, you're tethered to treatment, not back to your home.
Right. So I'd rather just wait it out?
I can't tell you what to do, ma'am. I can't tell you what to do.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
You're
All right, thank you. Let's go off the record, wrong thing.